Apple is gearing up for what could be one of its most exciting product launches in recent years, and the buzz in the tech world is already reaching new heights. According to well-known Apple insider Mark Gurman, the official launch is scheduled for the second week of September, which is traditionally the time Apple chooses to introduce its flagship devices. Adding to the anticipation, a fresh report from Mac Rumors has narrowed the likely date down to the 9th of September. If this turns out to be true, fans won't have to wait long before they see Apple's latest innovations in action. While the launch event will undoubtedly focus on new features and eye-catching designs, one of the most noteworthy changes this year will happen inside the device. Apple is reportedly giving the iPhone's battery a major redesign, something that could significantly improve its performance and safety. The new battery will come in a different shape and will be protected by a steel casing, a move aimed at better managing heat during use. In addition, Apple is expected to integrate a vapor chamber, a feature that not only helps keep the device cool, but also improves overall efficiency. These improvements are not just about extending battery life, they're also about making sure the phone can handle more demanding tasks without overheating. Pair this with the incredibly powerful A19 Pro chipset, and users can expect a noticeable boost in speed, responsiveness, and multitasking capabilities. Photography enthusiasts have even more reason to be excited. Apple is set to push its camera technology forward with a jump from 5x optical zoom in previous models to an impressive 8x. This increase will allow for much sharper close-up shots and crisper details in both photos and videos. Whether you're capturing faraway landscapes or zooming in on intricate details, the difference should be immediately visible. But Apple isn't stopping at hardware improvements. Reports suggest that most iPhone 17 models will see a $50 price increase. The base model, however, will remain at its current price point, offering a more budget-friendly option for those who want to enjoy the latest features without stretching their budget too far. Design changes are also generating a lot of discussion online. Leaked dummy units shared by tipster Sonny Dixon have revealed the full range of colors and models, giving fans an early look at what to expect. Rendered images based on these leaks show fresh color choices and a possible shift toward a new rectangular panel design. As with every major Apple release, excitement is building quickly, and discussions are already heating up in tech communities around the world. Fans are debating whether the rumored design changes are a step forward or just a minor tweak, and the internet is buzzing with predictions about the performance improvements the A19 Pro chipset will deliver. In the weeks leading up to the event, we can expect even more leaks and insider reports to emerge, each one offering a little more insight into what the iPhone 17 series will bring. Apple's ability to keep fans engaged and curious has always been one of its strengths, and this year seems no different. So, that's it for today's video. Make sure to subscribe to us for more tech videos. See you in the next one.